Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. NumPy is a powerful library in Python that is used for numerical computing. It provides support for arrays, matrices, and a wide range of mathematical functions to operate on these data structures. One of the core functionalities of NumPy is the n-array, n-dimensional array, which can be thought of as a list but with more capabilities. What is NumPy? NumPy stands for Numerical Python, and it is a library that allows for efficient storage and manipulation of large data sets. It is particularly useful for scientific and mathematical computations in Python. Installation. If you haven't installed NumPy yet, you can do so using pip. Creating NumPy arrays. The primary way to create a NumPy array is by using the numpy.array function, which can convert lists, or other sequences, into NumPy arrays. Example. Array properties. NumPy arrays have several properties that can be useful. Shape, the dimensions of the array. Data type, the type of data held in the array. Example. Basic operations. You can perform arithmetic operations on NumPy arrays. Example. Slicing and indexing. NumPy arrays can be sliced and indexed like Python lists, but with additional slicing capabilities. Example. Reshaping arrays. You can change the shape of a NumPy array without changing its data using the reshape method. Example. Mathematical functions. NumPy provides a wide range of mathematical functions that can be applied to arrays. Example. Summary. NumPy is an essential tool for numerical computing in Python. It allows you to create and manipulate arrays efficiently, perform mathematical operations on them, and apply various scientific computations. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of NumPy, including how to create arrays from lists, perform arithmetic operations, slice and index arrays, reshape them, and apply mathematical functions. This is just the tip of the iceberg. NumPy offers many more features for advanced data analysis and manipulation. Feel free to explore further and experiment with the various functionalities that NumPy offers.